Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're covering Amazon stock. It's May 21st, 2025, and we'll be diving into the news surrounding Amazon and then analyzing the charts to formulate a trading plan. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for Amazon. Some analysts believe it's an unstoppable stock, potentially joining the $3 trillion club. Others point to an inflated valuation and suggest caution. There are also forecasts of Amazon stock going up in the long term, and some analysts expect a potential 500% rise over 5 years due to e-commerce, cloud technologies, and market expansion. Now, let's dive into the daily chart. Looking at the overall trend, we see a long-term bullish movement. We can see that, starting in January 2024, the stock has generally risen. However, there have been some significant pullbacks along the way. Notice the large red candles in early August 2024, followed by a period of consolidation before another uptrend began. The most recent price action is showing some volatility, with a series of red and green candles indicating uncertainty in the market. Let's narrow into the last few months to look at more recent data. Specifically, let's examine the period starting in March 2025. We observe a significant drop in early April, followed by a sharp recovery and subsequent volatility throughout April and May. The recent price action from May 12th to today, May 21st, shows a large drop and a slow recovery, indicating a potential area of resistance around $210. The low point from early April around $167 is a major support level to keep in mind. Switching to the hourly chart, we can see some intraday details of the recent price action. Notice the sharp sell-off on May 12th. Since then, the stock has been struggling to regain its footing, with prices fluctuating within a relatively tight range. If the price can't break above $210, we might see further downside. If it can break above $210, we could see it reach resistance around $220. Finally, let's zoom into the 15-minute chart to look at very recent price action. This gives us the most granular view of what's happening today. We can see choppy trading, indicating a lack of clear direction in the short term. Immediate resistance seems to be around $206 and support around $204. For short-term trades, watch for breakouts above or below these levels. A break above $206 could signal a bullish move, while a break below $204 might indicate further downside. To recap, key price levels to watch are the major support around $167 and resistance around $210 and $220. In the short term, look for breakouts above $206 or breakdowns below $204. Based on the news, Amazon is considered a good long-term hold, with some expecting it to reach $240 by the end of 2025. Some analysts even forecast longer-term growth in 2040 and 2050. However, macroeconomic factors such as inflation, competition, and investor sentiment towards the tech sector could cause short-term downside. Keep an eye on economic news and Amazon's earnings reports for confirmation of either the bullish or bearish scenarios. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. See you next time.